Imagine everything you see, stars, galaxies, you, and me, once existed in a single, invisible point smaller than an atom. How did we go from nothing to this vast cosmic masterpiece? This is Possible Science. Don't forget subscribe the channel, and give us a like. Today, we'll explore the story of creation, not myth or magic, but science. This is the true story of the universe. What existed before time, around 13.8 billion years ago, the universe was born in an unimaginable explosion, not like a bomb, but an expansion of space itself. The universe began as a singularity, infinite heat and density. Then came the Big Bang. Space began expanding faster than light. Time itself started. Before the Big Bang, before, had no meaning. Cosmic Microwave Background, CMB, the afterglow of the Big Bang. The universe cooled down from trillions of degrees to a few thousand. Even now, the universe is still expanding. We can measure it using redshift from galaxies. As the universe expanded and cooled, tiny particles called protons, neutrons, and electrons began to form. Within minutes, they fused to create the first atoms, hydrogen and helium. This process is called nucleosynthesis. No stars, no galaxies yet, just a cosmic fog of gas. After about 380,000 years, atoms formed, light finally escaped, the first visible light of the universe, the CMB. The universe became transparent, like mist clearing after a storm. Then came the Dark Ages, a time when the universe was dark, silent, and cold. But gravity was working behind the scenes. Gravity pulled hydrogen and helium together into dense clouds. Around 200 to 400 million years after the Big Bang, the first stars ignited, the universe's first light bulbs. These were massive stars, 100 times the size of our Sun. They burned fast and died in supernova explosions, spreading heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron. Those ancient stars are the reason we exist. They forged the elements of life. As stars died and new ones formed, gravity organized them into vast cities of stars, galaxies. The Milky Way formed about 13.2 billion years ago. Inside it, small stars began to form stable systems, solar systems. About 4.6 billion years ago, one of these systems gave birth to our Sun. Dust and gas swirled around the young Sun, colliding. Every atom in your body was once inside a Earth, and gas giants like Jupiter took shape. Every atom in your body was once inside a star that exploded billions of years ago. About 3.8 billion years ago, on a small blue planet, chemistry turned into biology. Life began, and with it, the universe started to know itself. Early Earth cooled, forming oceans. Lightning and heat sparked organic molecules. Over time, simple cells evolved into complex organisms. Evolution gave rise to intelligence as capable of wondering where it all came from. We are the universe, looking back at itself. But the story isn't over. The universe continues to expand, faster and faster. What happens next? 1. Heat death. The universe expands forever until everything is cold and dark. 2. Big crunch. Gravity might pull everything back together, unlikely. 3. Big rip. Space could stretch so far it tears galaxies apart. From nothing, came everything. From chaos, came order. And from stardust, came us. The story of the universe is still being written, and we are part of it.